Alright, now that we have our homepage set up, I am going to go over how to create the featured slider. It's pretty simple. What we're going to do is go on our dashboard and you're going to be looking at the portfolio custom post type. The first thing I'm going to do is actually go to types and create a type. And this one's specific. You need to create it under featured. And so let's add that. And now any type or category basically, or post that's posted in the featured type will get pulled into the featured slider. So it'll make sense once I post them, but basically the featured slider is pulling in any posts from featured, and then featured work and your portfolios will just pull in, any other type that you have. So if we go to portfolio, let's go ahead and add one. We call this one slider slide, and then we can upload a picture. I just have a generic sample image that I'm going to upload. So if we go to use this as a featured image, so I kind of skipped over that pretty quickly. What I did was clicked upload and insert, and then I added an image, and then I went to add as featured image. I'll do this all over again in another slide as well. And then the last thing you need to do is make sure you select featured under types. And we can click publish now. So now if I go to our site, we now have a slide. And if there's only one slide, it'll automatically remove the arrows and bullets, so you don't have to worry about that if you didn't want a slider, if you just wanted a single image. So a couple cool things you can do are you can add a caption. So captions just go right in the text area of your slide. So if I click update, we now have a caption. Captions go here. And then the other thing you could do is you can add a link. So if I link to google.com, for instance, update it, if I refresh it, now when I click on it, it'll go to google.com. So these are all actual options of our regular portfolio. We have them all built in. You can also use a video embed code if you want. It'll be really large, but you can have a video on your featured slider. You can also add a video link. So I have a Vimeo video open in a tab, and all you need to do is grab the URL at the top, no iframe code, and if we paste that into video link and update it, now if we refresh our page and click on the link, it'll open a video. So these are all options that you can use. You can have your caption, your video link, and etc. I'm going to go and remove those for now. And let's go and add another slide. So if we go to add new, I'm going to type final slide. And if we upload an image, by clicking on that icon, we can select our files or just drag and drop them in there. And then you scroll down and click use as featured image. That's key if you want it showing up in the featured slider. So once we've done that, we can close out of the box. Make sure we click our featured type and publish. And now we should have our bullets and our arrows that show up. And our next slide has a caption. Even though they're the same image, you can see that the next one has a caption. So it's very easy to add images. And if you wanted, you just remove them move them to trash if you don't want them anymore. And if you wanted to change the order, you can just edit the publish date right here and change the date to a day earlier or later, or your hours and minutes as well.